Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to swap or buy the sushi token. So first of all you're gonna need is to have a digital wallet. In my case, I have the MetaMask wallets. If you don't have one or you want to create a new one, just go down below in our channel and you'll find out how to create a MetaMask wallet. So let's say you already created your MetaMask wallet or you already have one. You'll just go here to the CoinMarketCap website, then go here to the search. After that, you'll just type sushi here, SUSHI. After that, you press to the SUSHISWAP here. Then you'll just come here at more, then copy the address of the BNB smart chain. Make sure to copy this address so you do not get any scams. After copying this address exactly, you'll go to the Pancakeswap website. Then you'll go here to the trade section, then press swap. After that, first of all, you need to connect your wallets. You'll just press there, connect wallet, then choose MetaMask because that's what we have. So if it's your first time connecting your wallets in a new website, they will just ask you to add two more steps, which is another next and another connect. So let's say already connected your wallet. All you need to do now is just press here at cake, then paste the address that you copied from the CoinMarketCap. So if you see this active here, that means the token is already added to the Pancakeswap. So all you need to do is press X, then go back here to cake, then just type here the sushi. You'll find it here, press add sushi. After that, you'll just simply enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap into the new token. So let's say, for example, I have 1 BNB. They will show you here the amount of sushi that you are going to get by 1 BNB. Then you just need to press swap and that's it. You'll be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please leave a like and a comment down below and do not hesitate to subscribe.